Good morning, kindergartners. Today we're going to do a dictated sentence. So you're going to need to grab either a whiteboard and a whiteboard marker like me, or you can go grab a sheet of writing paper and a pencil. Remember, a dictated sentence is when I tell you a sentence and then you're going to write the words that you hear in that special sentence. Before I get started on my sentence, I'm going to tell you a little story about this sentence. So, spring in Colorado is kind of funny. It gets really warm out some days and then it snows the next day. You never know what's going to happen with the weather in springtime. So lately, it's been pretty nice, but remember last week it snowed a little bit and then a couple days later it melted. Now when the snow melted, my dog was licking all of the kind of leftover snow, and there were some puddles in my yard too. And my friend Ned was like, "Your poor dog must be thirsty." So here's my sentence. Ned got a dish for the dog. Now I'm gonna tap it out. Listen to me tap it out. I'm gonna use my right hand because I write with my left. Okay, so you're gonna think about which hand you pick up your pencil with and then you're gonna pound it with the other hand. Ned got a dish for the dog. Will you tap it out with me? Ned got a dish for the dog. Okay, now I'm gonna pick up my paper. I'm gonna point to the my whiteboard as I'm saying the sentence, just so to make sure I have enough room and to plan out my writing. Ned got a dish for the dog. Will you do it with me on your paper? Ned got a dish for the dog. Okay, now we're going to start doing our writing. Things that you need to think about when you're writing. The beginning of a sentence has an uppercase letter. Finger spaces between our words. Punctuation at the end of our sentences. Make sure we're spelling those sight words correctly. Okay, here we go. Ned got a dish for the dog. Okay, you can go ahead and write as well. All right, kindergartners, if you're still writing, you can go ahead and pause the video. But I'm going to go ahead and show you my writing. So here's my sentence. I'm going to read it for you. Ned got a dish for the dog. Now I underlined the words a, for, and the, because those are sight words. Just a reminder that that's how we spell those three sight words. Okay, now going back to the beginning of the sentence, this word Ned, did you make sure that your N was uppercase? Got a dish. Did you remember that SH says the sh sound, like in the end of the word dish? Nice job. For the dog. Did you do a punctuation at the end there? And then in this case, it would be a period. Did you make sure to make your tall letters tall and your small letters small and your fall letters fall down below that line? Nice job, kindergarten friends. If your sentence looks just like mine, you can go ahead and rewrite your sentence one more time just for good practice. And at the end, you can do a smiley face for the sentence that is the neatest. All right, kindergarten friends, thank you for joining me today on our dictated sentence. I hope you had fun. See you later.